Hello, welcome to Moneyverse YouTube channel. My name is Michelle, and today, like always, I bring to you a very nice opportunity for you to make real cool money. All right, to make real cash effortlessly. All right, all it needs from you is just, let's say, 10 minutes of your time, maximum 10 minutes of your time to make real cash. All right, today I'll be showing you a platform which I have been using to trade and it's been making a lot of money for me. It's been making a lot of money for me and I want to present it to you. Look at the profit I've been making for a while. You can see I've been making this huge profits. All right, and with the help of the dollar cost, sorry, the what's it called? The compound interest. I've been able to build my wealth over time. All right, with this strategy that I am going to show you and this opportunity, you have nothing to fear. Now, let me start from here. Assuming you are using $20 to engage, this is the profit I made. So, whenever I make this profit plus this profit will give you this. So I will use this to engage in my next trade. That's the compound interest. Adding your profits to your previous trading capital, it will lead to more profit. So I engaged with this and the payout, I got this profit. The payout became 27. I engaged with 27. Although, sorry, this is a wrong trade. Okay. I engaged wrongly on the trade. So I exited immediately when I discovered it was a wrong trade. I did not enter the right market, so that was a wrong trade. Now I engaged again with remaining balance and made this profit, and I used the total payout to engage the next trade and made this amount. Use the total payout to engage. Sorry, I used the same amount again to engage here. The same amount I used there was what I used there. I made this amount. I did not remember to do my compound interest over here. So that's why I used the same amount. Then I still made cool amount of money. Then that was after this I now after this payout I added this amount here to this one, making it 35 to engage in my last trade, which gave me $9.27, moving this 35 75 $76 to $45. Okay, so I'll be showing you screenshot the inside view of it. So like I said, I started, let's say you started with $20. Let me show you. You can see the trade, the result analysis. Okay, these are the result analysis. My prediction was that from my entry point the market will go lower. Okay, the market will go lower than my entry point, which is this line you saw there. Okay, and it eventually happened. I made 18%. Actually my target profit was 10%, but I made 18%, which is very cool, right? Now the next trade I took, I also got it right. The market went below my prediction. As you can see here, I predicted my entry from here, it went below here. So I made another 14%. Remember my target was 10%, but I made 13%. So which again, when I entered my next trade, on using $27, okay, this next trade was a wrong entry. I entered wrongly. Then I exited the market. I entered the next trade, which is this, and I made how much 17%, as you can see down there. 17%. Instead of 10%, I made 17% profit. Then I took the next trade. I got out of the market with 4%. I entered again and I got out of the market with 9%, which is about 9, which is about $2. Then the last trade was wow, wow, wow. So it was very significant. You can see 25% with $35. So you can make minimum of 10% comfortably, effortlessly. All right, you can make that comfortably and effortlessly. This is very easy to do. All right, this is very easy to do. Very easy to do. Okay, so if you are interested in making this amount of money, 10% of your profits every single day, let me do some calculation for you. Let me do some calculation for you. So assuming there's something that people don't really understand. A lot of people have been complaining. Maybe those crypto traders, many crypto traders. I as well trade crypto. As you can see from my channel, I post crypto related topics. I trade cryptocurrency. I have some coins in crypto, but the market is down. Okay, some people are in loss. I am also in loss, but I'm not bothered because the bull run will liberate everyone from losses caused by the dip. Okay, in fact, now is the opportunity to buy more. As I'm buying more coins. I'm accumulating top coins. And by the way, if you want to get to know these top coins, you can hit me in my DM using the link in the description of this video. All right. Then let's assume let's assume you are using $20. Maybe you have $200 and you want to use just 10% of your $200 to be trading. Okay, or you have $100, you want to use 10% of it, which is $10, whichever one. But assuming you have um $200 or $100. Let's say you have $100. Let's start with the minimum. You have $100 and you want to use 10% of it, which is $10 to trade. $10 and you're making 10%, just 10% on daily basis, and you have to trade for just 30 days in a month. Look at how much you'll be making. This is 100 and this is 164% total interest. Then the total investment return will be $174. Now look at the percentage profit. 1644.9% just in a month. Can you imagine that? If you are to do this thing for 1 year, which is 365 days, my brother, my sister, you are in huge amount of money. In fact, next year will be a year of flexing for you. Watch out. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine this? This is crazy. Can you call this amount? This is this is crazy. This is in dollars, by the way. $540. Starting from here. Let's say, okay. Thousand, million, billion, trillion, trillion, zillion. 12.8 zillion dollars. Who, who can believe this? But this money is too much. But let's just reduce it to let's just say 90 days. If you're to trade for 3 months, which is 90 days. My dear, you can look at how much you'll be making just in 3 months. This is your total investment value, and this is your total interest. This is your percentage return on investment. 531,202%. and you're making $53,120 with $10. You think this is a joke? Look at it. Initial balance. If you're using $10 for the trading, so your initial balance will be $10 because that is how much you started trading, engaging in a trade, a single trade. So for each single trade, look at how much you'll be earning. You earn $1, your total earning will be $1 for that your first trade. Then your balance will be 11. So this 11 is what you use to engage in the second trade, and you are going to be making $1.10, which is total of $2.10, and the balance is $12.10. That is how you continue doing it till towards the end of 90 days. This is how much you'll be making. Do you see the power of compound interest? This is how much I am making currently. I built a new account from $25 to $135 currently within 3 days. Within just 3 days, I built it in 3 days. And another thing you need to know is that these days here, 90 days, it's not necessary that you trade once a day. Okay, it's not necessary that you trade once a day. For me, I calculate this I take this instead of this, I I take it instead of this, I take it to be trades. I take it to be trades, so I can say 90 trades, which means I can take more than one trade in a day. I can take like three trades in a day. Okay, and that will make my achievement, my results to be faster. All right. So this is a very interesting um, trading opportunity for you to make a whole lot of money, like seriously, huge amount of money. That is what I've been making. I've proven it to work with my strategy. And if you're interested in making this amount of money, then hit my DM and I'll be willing to share it with you for just a token. All right, take care.